Danish pharmaceutical giant Novo Nordisk reported stronger than expected profits powered by sales of anti-obesity and diabetes drugs, Wegovy and Ozempic. And the company expects demand for those two products to continue strong in 2024. Joining us now, Lars Fruergaard Jørgensen, Novo Nordisk president and CEO. Lars, it's great to have you here to talk about these results. Now, you're expecting the demand to continue, the sales growth outlook that you offered between 18 and 26% further growth. How much of this market are you now serving, and how do you see that developing, your ability to supply it in the coming year?
Thank you for having me this morning. We see a very, very large opportunity going forward, and honestly, we're just getting going. We are serving a very small fraction of the overall market, and we're confident that we are now scaling up manufacturing to a degree where we can, in the U.S. market, more than double the starter doses. So we see, as you alluded to, a sustained growth, but it's still a very small part of the overall addressable market that we are going to address this coming year.
You're attempting to aggressively increase supply, as you say, as are other companies. I wonder how this race is going to go. Your ability to kind of get out there and exploit the lead that you have had in these products while other companies are also rushing to do so. How is that shaping up right now?
I actually think that it's a positive that there will be competition, because I think the main challenge in unlocking the overall obesity opportunity is one of unfolding the market, really making it well understood that obesity is a serious chronic disease that takes medical intervention to prevent a number of comorbidities. And it's a journey we have been on our own for quite some time. Now we welcome competition from Lilly. We respect them a lot. We've been competing in the diabetes space for 100 years. And I think a race that's based on educating physicians, making a disease understood, and then a race on what is the power of innovation you bring to the market, I think is a very healthy and very competitive situation, and one that's honestly good for society, because it is about helping people living with obesity and making them stay active in the workforce and prevent diseases that follow obesity.
It's interesting, though, because we've seen such a huge run-up in the uses for these drugs in the United States that just this week, North Carolina said its state health plan would no longer pay for these drugs for weight loss, reserving it for diabetes treatment alone. The state treasurer came on last call on CNBC to talk a little bit about it. I want to play that, and then, Lars, get your reaction on the other side.
We've never questioned the efficacy of this drug. What we're questioning is the price. This drug can potentially cost up to $1,500 in North Carolina. In the home country of Novo Nordisk in Denmark, it cost about $280. What we've asked Novo Nordisk to do is to sell to those that teach, protect, and otherwise serve in North Carolina this drug for the same price as people in Denmark pay.
And the treasurer says that Novo Nordisk has refused to negotiate and, in fact, suspended rebates when the board tried to negotiate it. Why can't the price be the same?
Well, the price listed mentioned here in the clip was actually above our list price. I don't know where the price comes from, but we give rebates in the U.S. and we're also willing to give rebates in North Carolina. But of course, we need to discuss under which conditions those rebates are paid. So I think it's a grossly oversimplified story. So we believe that the value of treating obesity way outguns the value of the medicine, so to say. And the clip mentioned the efficacy of the product. That's one of weight loss, but increasingly we are also adding additional benefits. We will this year get our CV protection from the SELECT study on the label, which is something that's another value driver. So we believe in the value of medicines, but we're also willing to negotiate the rebate levels that brings down the cost significantly.
The treasurer says that his plan members account for 2% of the prescriptions filled in the United States. If other states start following suit, could that be meaningful to your bottom line here?
Today, we see that there's actually more seeking coverage than that are states and other plans leaving. And I think the clip here is perhaps not perfectly resembling what the type of business we conduct is, because we are giving significant rebates in the US, and we're also willing to pay that in North Carolina. So it's not relevant to pay for the list price. But of course, we have to negotiate what those rebates are, and there were specific conditions around the case in North Carolina that I cannot get into here that leads to this situation. But we're willing to negotiate what the rebate should be to bring down the price significantly compared to the list price, also in North Carolina.